What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are gonna talk about another robot vacuum cleaner. I have already tested a few different robot vacuum cleaners and I already have more than 15 robot vacuum cleaners, but I haven't stopped my search to find the best robot vacuum cleaner for my home and for everyone. I always wanna provide you the best recommendation. I wanna let you know which robot vacuum cleaner is performing better, which offers better value for money, and which I'm using right now because the one that performs and offers very good value for money. Today we are gonna talk about UBPet V10. It is one of the most powerful robot vacuum cleaners for pet-friendly homes. It is a Kickstarter campaign. The early bird pricing is $379 US, so definitely UBPet V10 comes with a very good value proposition. As usual, I'd like to start from unboxing, but okay, I was a bit too excited, I guess. Tia was a bit too excited, and when she has done the unboxing, she has forgotten to press the record button. So my apology that I cannot share the unboxing video, but next time when I will do a long-term review, maybe I will share the unboxing experience with you. Today we are gonna talk about all the features and performance of this robot vacuum cleaner. But before we start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Share the love. Have I already mentioned, this UBPet V10 comes with a very unique design and a D-shaped appearance. Yeah, in front it is a bit rectangular and at the back it has an oval design. On top there is a yellow cat ear shaped handle that is actually the handle of the dustbin, and that handle not only has made the outlook and appearance much better but also eases the process to take out the 300 milliliter dustbin. It's really easy to empty the dustbin. Just grab the handle, rotate it, take out the dustbin, unlock it, release the dust, and then put it back to the robot vacuum cleaner. Bang! Easy as it can be. This round-shaped dustbin is designed for one-handed removal and mess-free waste disposal. An intelligent ambient light surrounding the dustbin keeps us informed about its storage status without getting our hands dirty. There is a LDS laser radar and other laser sensors on the bottom for navigation, mapping, and avoiding obstacles. Built-in clip sensors prevent the robot vacuum cleaner, this UBPet V10, from falling off heights, ensuring safety during multi-floor cleaning sessions. Let me place the robot on a table and demonstrate how good is the performance of the clip sensors. UBPet V10 comes with a dedicated sensor for the carpets. When the robot detects a carpet, it will auto-boost its suction power. On top, there are 3 buttons. On the left bottom corner, a start button for turning on or off, start cleaning, and pause cleaning. The home button initially acts as a pairing button. We need to press the home button to connect this UBPet V10 to the internet, to the Wi-Fi, and once it's connected, we can use the home button to summon the vacuum cleaner to the base or press the home button from restricting it to come to the base. There is a reset button and we can use that button to execute a forced shutdown. There is a LED indicator on top of the charging base so we can easily understand what's going on. With a narrow body measuring less than 300 millimeters, which is equivalent to 11.8 inches in width, V10 in combination with its long bottom roller brush can access and clean even the most hard-to-reach corners of our home with enhanced efficiency. UBPet V10 smartly navigates and plans cleaning paths with LiDAR technology, supporting multiple map storage and customizable zone cleaning. V10's line laser sensors provide precise obstacle avoidance, ensuring thorough cleaning along the edges. It intelligently steers clear of household items such as trash bins, shoes, dolls, and many other things. That means it provides a worry-free cleaning experience. Till now, what I have done over here, it feels like I'm doing a marketing material for this UBPet V10. But trust me, not only me and my girlfriend, we both are obsessed with this UBPet V10. So yeah, even if it sounds like I'm advertising the product, that's one side of the coin. And the flip side of the coin shows how much I love this product, because you know me, I always do honest review videos, and yeah, I wouldn't say a product is so good if me and my girlfriend Tia, we both don't love the product at the same time. Well, let's continue. There is another thing I have noticed, that UBPet V10 stirs strong, because I have tested many other robot vacuum cleaners. Most of the robot vacuum cleaners, when in auto mode, stirs like from gentle suction power, but this UBPet V10 stirs strong and maintains its powerful suction throughout the cleaning process. Yeah, that's a very nice thing, and Tia has noticed that even after using this UBPet V10 for a few weeks, almost a month now, we don't feel like we will need to change the filters so frequently. Well, after doing some research, me and Tia, we both have noticed that, well, the traditional robot vacuum cleaners, those requires more frequent. we need to change the filters more frequently. But due to its innovative design, UBPet V10 actually separates hair from dust, reducing the need of frequent filter replacement, thanks to its cyclonic design. This not only decreases maintenance cost, but also makes this UBPet V10, the robot vacuum cleaner, an environmental friendly robot vacuum cleaner. When I was planning to do this review video, Thea has told me something like, okay Han, this is a cost-effective, eco-boosted super monster who loves to have clean and healthy home environment. Okay, talking about the filters, we will need to change the filter at a point of time after using this for months after months. The HEPA filter that comes inside this UBPet V10 supports filter level H12, which can filter 99.99% of waste and can exhaust clean air. I'm surprised to see, even being smaller and lighter, yet tiny yet mighty, this UBPet V10 can clean 30% more area than any other traditional vacuum cleaners. One more time, thanks to its cyclonic structure and that 100 air watt brushless motor. If you don't know what is air watt, then in many other robot vacuum cleaners website, you will notice that they have written AW. AW stands for air watt. Well, this UBPet V10 comes with a very strong 100 air watt brushless motor, which performs very well. So UBPet V10 can boast up to 22,000 Pascal suction power. When I've read this 22,000 for the first time, when Thea has told me, I was like, no, you are wrong. It cannot be more than 4,000 or 5,000, because most of the other traditional robot vacuum cleaners, those robot vacuum cleaners don't even go beyond 5,000 Pascal suction power. So I was thinking, how can a robot vacuum cleaner can have 22,000 Pascal suction power? But after I have tested it, after I have checked it thoroughly, here, this UBPet V10 boasts 22,000 Pascal suction power, which is almost 10 times more than any other conventional vacuum cleaners. So with its exceptional 22,000 Pascal suction power, V10 effortlessly collects coffee grounds, oats, chocolate chips, and mixed waste from a variety of surfaces, leaving no room for dirt or debris to escape its thorough cleaning. It doesn't matter whether we have used it on a hardwood floor or on a carpet or on a ceramic, it has always offered the best performance. Okay, talking about carpets, yeah, UBPet V10 can effortlessly navigate through a variety of different carpets. When I first noticed or got to know that UBPet V10 can keep cleaning even if when it reaches to an age of a carpet which has 0.7-inch height, I was like, no, it cannot be true. But after I have tested it, well, it's true. After trying this UBPet V10 for the past couple of weeks, I'm truly amazed. UBPet V10 can effortlessly navigate on short to medium pile carpets. Smooth movement and powerful suction together removes fine dust and pet hair even without leaving a trace. Usually, traditional robot vacuum cleaners have an annoying issue, which is tangled hair on the roller or on the brush, which leads to a poor cleaning effect and messy cleaning process. I'm happy to see that UBPet V10 comes with a precisely designed roller, smart variable brush speed, and more importantly, ultra-strong suction. All this together ensures tangle-free pet hair cleaning process. Okay, before we talk about the battery performance and the application, there is another thing that has made me so surprised. Even if it has a very strong suction power, this UBPet V10 doesn't make loud noise, cause it features a noise-reducing airflow design and effectively minimizes high-frequency noise, which creates discomfort to human ear. Well, what about the battery performance? Once this UBPet V10 has its battery pack fully recharged, it can go for 50 minutes. It has a 50 minutes of runtime. And when this UBPet V10 needs to get recharged, it can automatically get back to the base station and get fully charged within 2.5 hours. Yeah, definitely there is an application, and the application comes with a lot of features. The companion application of UBPet V10 allows us to customize maps, enabling features such as zone cleaning, dividing areas, merging areas, adding restricted areas. It also has a remote control feature which adds more convenience to life. We can check battery status and cleaning log in real time on the application. Moreover, we can set our preferences for cleaning, such as gentle, normal, strong, and super. There are 4 different suction power levels, and we can choose the one that we require. We can enable carpet auto boost and choose from 2 suction levels, strong and super. Well, I'm not gonna prolong this video, I'm just sharing my honest opinion. Okay, our honest opinion here reminds me. We definitely love this robot vacuum cleaner, so I don't hesitate to recommend this product to my subscribers and regular viewers. I have left a link of this UBPet V10 in the description box below. Go ahead, check the product. But before that, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel, support honest content and share the love.
They'll be calling me royalty.